Hi, my name is Ricky, and in this video today I'll show you the process of removing your photos from Facebook as well as from your Sonlet parties. So the first thing that we'll do is go to our manual listings page, and I've clicked on all so I can see all of the items that I have listed. If you just need to remove one or two photos, if you maybe are changing out some photos, or if you have sold outside of Sonlet, you can just click on one or two of your items at a time. Or if you would like to remove everything from your groups, you can click on Select All and scroll down to your Facebook buttons here. We'll click on Delete Facebook Photos for Selected, and here you'll be able to see all the albums and groups that your items are listed in. So you can choose just one group or album, or of all of your albums or groups. We'll click Yes, Delete Facebook Photos for Selected. We can see that we have a green banner here, which shows me that everything went well and from my Facebook groups. I also have one item here that's listed in my Sonlet party. So I will do the same process here. Click on my photo, come down to my party buttons and remove selected from parties. I'll select my party and remove from parties. Once again, I see the green banner. That means that everything went well. I can also double check here and see that all my links have been removed. So this means that you have removed all of your items that are in your listings. Now, it's important to remember that this will not remove any of the items that have been claimed. Those items were moved over into your sales page, so you will need to do the process in your sales page as well. On our sales page, we can see this item that has been claimed. You can see that in my groups on Facebook as well as any Sonlet parties. So we'll just need to go through this process. On our sales page, delete Facebook Photos for Selected. I will click on all of the groups and albums that it's in. And yes, delete Facebook photos. You can see that my Facebook links were removed and I have the green banner, so everything well. You can do this from your pending sales page like I just did, or you can do it from your recently completed sales. Whichever way works best for you, that's up to you, and it will work great in both places. So hopefully this has helped you understand how to remove your items from Facebook and Sonlet parties. So enjoy and have fun. Thanks.